Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our latest analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, May 25 to 27, 2022, and this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. Let's kick out with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday. There's still no major weather system across the major portions of the country, except for this Trough. Okay, this is the extension of a newly developed low pressure area, which is a weak one, located along the southern portion of the South Philippine Sea, and this is currently moving towards Celebes Sea, and it's expected to weaken considerably into a trough as it moves across this area south of Mindanao. So the trough is affecting portions of Mindanao, and it's extending across the southern portions of Sulu Archipelago, becoming more frequent along the offshore areas of Bangsamoro. So expect some severe thunderstorms, especially late in the day and into the early evening, while the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain good in the morning, but in the afternoon and evening, here comes another set of multiple severe thunderstorms that could generate some heavy rains, and which will result in some flooding in low-lying areas, as well as some small landslides in landslide-prone areas of Luzon, Visayas, and portions of Mindanao. So the southwesterlies is still prevailing across the central and northern portions of the South China and West Philippine Seas. And we still have here the stationary front, a frontal system just along the area of Taiwan, bringing some severe thunderstorms as well, and also across the southern islands of Japan into Iwoto. And this stationary front will prevail or exist for the next 3 days based on the latest computer models. So again, don't forget to bring your umbrellas and rain gear when the afternoon sets in, okay? And so this LPA 92W as of 2 p.m. This afternoon was around 617 kilometers southeast of General Santos City, 4.5 north, 130.5, and has a lower chance of becoming a tropical depression within the next 24 hours. So this is not threatening, okay, but it will bring some much needed thunderstorms or rainfall across Mindanao and the southern portions of Sulu Archipelago. So that's the latest for today from our GovSat. Here's the fast animation. As you can see, thunderstorms are starting to wane down as the evening progresses. And if we take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation, this was beginning, let me see, 4 p.m. As we move into the latter part of the evening, that will be around 9 or 10 p.m. These thunderstorms are starting to dissipate. So through the afternoon, areas like Ilocos region, Central Luzon, there are some thunderstorms bringing some rainfall during the past 6 hours, and also in some portions of the Bicol region, but not much, and also over portions of Mindanao. This trough here is slightly weaker than expected. And here comes these strong thunderstorms or severe thunderstorms across various sections of central and northern Luzon. Now for the rain forecast until Saturday, every afternoon, beginning tomorrow afternoon, Wednesday. Also on Friday afternoon, let me see here. Yeah, 4 p.m. And through Saturday afternoon, we expect isolated scattered rain showers and thunderstorms to prevail across the country. Like here on Saturday, there will be some thunderstorms again across Luzon, Bicol region, Metro Manila. So every afternoon we expect this kind of situation. It may be hit or miss, okay? it may be mist or heat. It depends on where the thunderstorms are located. So every afternoon, expect this thunderstorm, as we are now on the start of the wet or rainy season for our country. Use the rainfall accumulation forecast. So most of the rainfall are concentrated across the Visayas and Mindanao for the next 3 days, and some portions of northern and central Luzon, including metropolitan Manila. And if we take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days, tomorrow afternoon, we expect some southwesterly to southerly winds across the northern and central portions of the Philippine Islands, particularly along the eastern and western sections of Luzon, while inland areas or land areas of the country will remain variable winds, very calm. So expect thunderstorms in the afternoon, since there are no wind shear in store. So more thunderstorms will be expected every afternoon until Saturday afternoon. And on Friday afternoon, southerly winds will still be expected across various sections of the country, becoming more variable across the inland areas of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And on Saturday afternoon, the same weather wind condition will be expected across Visayas and the coastal areas of Luzon. These are mostly southerly winds. So the inland areas of Luzon will have variable winds, as well as Mindanao. So calm to variable winds, nothing unusual. And if we take a look at the Global Tropics Hazards and Benefits Outlook of the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, this is the latest one for this Wednesday. So this is for the next 2 weeks. We are going to take a look or take a peek on what will be in store for the next 2 weeks across the Philippine Islands and nearby areas. So this is for week 1, valid May 25 to May 31st. There will be some normal rain condition across central and southern Philippines, from southern Tagalog provinces, Bicol region, Visayas, Mimaropa, down to Mindanao. But areas of northern and central Luzon, particularly Cagayan Valley, there will be a possibility of 50% chance at medium confidence of a below average rainfall. Okay. And on week 2, valid June 1 to June 7, the areas of Luzon and Mimaropa will still have a 50% probability or moderate confidence of a below average rainfall. So expect that, but these are still at 50% probability, so it may change within the next week and after 2 weeks. While areas of Bicol region, Visayas, and Mindanao will have normal climate. So it means that we are still expecting this afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. So far, that's the latest from our Typhoon 2000. So far, that's the latest from our Typhoon 2000. So far, that's the latest from our Mr. Typhoon.tv update here at YouTube, at Facebook channel as well. And we will return on Friday to give you more update on the weather from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click our notification bell for latest updates, as well as don't forget also to like our page, or click the like button on every video that we release, so that we are going to have some good vibes, okay, in our channel. And see you again, guys, on Friday. Good evening, and take care.